So in the next question we have Sushan had dash the windows clean, the windows clean, the windows be cleaned. अब इसमा के हुन्छ भने what we need to see is Sushan had उसले चाहिँ window clean गरायो. So had छ भने there probably be had छ भने clean त हुँदैन. So we eliminate this and then we see Sushan had dash, then we will use cleaned. So now we have two options, A or C. The windows cleaned, the windows be cleaned. So Sushan ne windows like clean, like he got the windows cleaned. Okay. So windows be cleaned? No, that is not the right option. The correct answer is the windows cleaned. Sushan had the windows cleaned. So now we look at the next question that we have. I'll let you dash my car. So this is basically I will let you dash my car. To drive my car, I'll let you to drive my car. I'll let you drive my car. I'll let you driving my car. अब उसले चाहिँ अलाउ गर्छ कि उसले आफ्नो कार चलाउन उसलाई अलाउ गर्छ. सो ड्राइभिङ चाहिँ हुँदैन. फर्स्टमै हामी यसलाई एलिमिनेट गर्छौँ. सो इदर इट्स टु ड्राइभ, इदर इट्स ड्राइभ. सो वी डोन्ट युज लेट्ससँग लाइक आई लेट यु टु ड्राइभ. I will let you drive my car. Moving on to the next question that we have. Hey, how do you want me to help you dash? To pack, packing, pack. Isko answer ta I'm sure pretty clear hola. Tarani let's see. How do you want me to help you? We are already using to here. How do you want me to help you? Packing? No. किनभने it's like how do you want me to कसरी अब प्याकिङ चाहिँ हुँदैन किनभने यो चाहिँ कन्टिन्युअस चलिरहेको भयो. So we use how do you want me to help you to pack? No. The correct option is how do you want me to help you pack? Moving on to the next question. So now, why don't you dash with my friends? Let me to go out, let me go out, let me go out. यो दुईटा सेम भएछ जस्तो छ. We will remove the third one. Let me go out too. Let me go out too. So now we see. Why don't you dash with my friends? Let me go out. Let me to go out. Let me go out. Let me go out too. यो चाहिँ C number चाहिँ हुँदैन. So we eliminate this and then we see here. Why don't you dash? तिमी मलाई किन अलाउ गर्दैनौ आफ्नो साथीहरुसँग जानको लागि? This is very clear. Why don't you let me go out with my friends? Moving on to the next question that we have. I had my wallet dash yesterday. Stolen, stole, to steal. अब उसले आफ्नो wallet आफैले steal गराउँदैन. Here we use had. So probably to steal is not the correct option. We eliminate this. I had my wallet to steal yesterday. And then I had my wallet stole yesterday. Though this is in the past form, tara pani this is not the correct verb that we are supposed to use here, as we use like had my wallet dash yesterday. हिजो उसको wallet चाहिँ चोरी भइसकेको छ. So we use stolen. I had my wallet stolen yesterday. Now moving on to the last question that we have. I had my friends dash yesterday. To fix my car. To fix my door, fix my door, fixed my door. I had my friend. Yeah, friends bhako bhai. I had my friends to fix my door. It's not friends, it's just a single friend. And fixed my door bhaneko चाहिँ this wouldn't be किनभने I had my friend fixed my door. यो चाहिँ past form मा छ. अनि fixed भनेको चाहिँ फिक्स्ड भनेको पास्ट फर्ममा भयो तर दिस इज नट द करेक्ट अप्सन किनभने वी आर युजिङ ह्याड हियर सो आई ह्याड माई फ्रेन्ड फिक्स माई डोर येस्टरडे सो यति चाहिँ हाम्रो पोजिटिभ वर्बको एमसिक्यूहरू भयो एन्ड यसमा चाहिँ हामीले के हेर्नुपर्छ भने हाउ वी आर युजिङ इट किनभने पोजिटिभ वर्ब भनेको के भयो यु लेट समबडी एल्स डु द वर्क लाइक अरूलाई गर्न लाउँछौ अर एल्स आफूमाथि नै लिन्छौ सो this is how you choose words accordingly and yeah that's it for this one. Thank you for watching.